And on the 4th day, we have a typewriter. This is my Lego Ideas typewriter from 2021. Originally retailed for $249.99 in both euros and dollars. And it's sand green, which means awesome color. My favorite color. Such a cool mechanical thing. If you press any of the buttons, you actually activate this mechanism and it makes this very satisfying noise. Sounds like a typewriter, right? You can then go ahead and slide this back. With every press of the button, this sleigh comes forward. Isn't that cool? What a neat little set and what a beautiful color. You can change the color of the band, right? Change the color in which you write. Obviously, they don't actually work. It's always the same mechanism that goes forward and backwards again. It has a few stickers. One of them you find down here where it says system. There's another sticker on the back, but really that is about it. And I feel like I'm cool with that. It came with a letter, multiple letters in multiple languages. I did not feel comfortable with cracking them open and putting them in here. You can just put any random piece of paper. It is a travel size typewriter, meaning it's a little smaller than your usual typewriter. But it's such a cool thing to have on display. You have seen it in my videos. It's usually over there where the skull is. I love this set. And if you enjoyed this door, maybe check back tomorrow where I'll take you out for a ride in my new car, my new silvery shiny car. Stay tuned.